in a time filled with harshness. We return to the one who taught mercy. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "I was sent to perfect good manners." This hadith highlights that one of the primary purposes of the Prophet Muhammad's mission was to perfect and complete the moral character of individuals and societies. Islam emphasizes that faith is not just rituals or beliefs, but also how one behaves, with honesty, kindness, humility, patience, and respect toward others.